Here's how you can fix a smart TV that won't connect to Wi-Fi or the internet. Start by power cycling your smart TV. Unplug it from the power outlet and leave it unplugged for 30 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 20 seconds to drain any remaining power. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. If the issue continues, restart your Wi-Fi router. Unplug it from the power outlet for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and wait a few minutes for the internet connection to fully restore. Then try reconnecting your TV to Wi-Fi. If your TV still won't connect, open Settings and go to Network or Internet Settings. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, then forget your current wireless network and reconnect by entering the password again. If none of these steps work, perform a factory reset. Open Settings, go to System or Device Preferences, and choose Reset or Factory Reset. Keep in mind this will erase your settings, installed apps, and account sign-ins, so you'll need to set up the TV again afterward. That's all for this video. Thanks.